Welcome to my video on the waning crescent moon on February 12, 2026. These are images taken with my Seestar S50 Smart Telescope. This is the Seestar S50 Smart Telescope. It's a great little telescope that takes a wonderful variety of images of objects in the night sky, including the moon. This is images of the moon in the waning crescent phase. It's on its way to a new moon around February 17th. What you see is the western limb illuminated by the sun. The portion of the moon illuminated is around 22 to 25%. This image gives a little better view of the lunar detail with the 2x magnification on the Seestar. On this image of the northern section of the moon, notice the broad dark expanse stretching across the surface. This is Oceanus Procellarum, the ocean of storms. It's the largest of the lunar maria and a vast basaltic plain formed by ancient volcanic activity billions of years ago. Along its northeast edge, you can see Sinus Imbrium, something called the Bay of Rainbows. It forms a graceful arc along the rim of the much larger Mare Imbrium basin. The curvature is especially striking when the sun is low over the region, as it is here. And near the terminator, shining brightly, is the crater Aristarchus, one of the most reflective and geologically interesting craters on the moon. Its brightness makes it stand out dramatically against the darker lava plains surrounding it. Near the center of this frame is the bright crater Kepler. Its sharply defined rim and radiant ejecta blanket make it one of the more prominent craters on the side of the moon. The brighter material surrounding it was thrown outward during the impact event that formed it, creating a striking contrast against the darker terrain nearby. Further toward the limb of the dark, oval-shaped crater Grimaldi. Unlike Kepler, Grimaldi 4 is with basaltic lava, giving it a smooth and much darker appearance. It stands out clearly against the lighter highlands that surround it. Just to the southeast lies Mare Imbrium, the Sea of Moisture. This clear circular basin was created by a vast ancient impact and later filled with volcanic lava. Its curved boundary becomes especially noticeable under the sunlight. I want to thank you for watching. Hope you got a little bit of this out of this video and learn a little bit about the moon.